think I've been here before. I know.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Hey, I'm Reese from Chevelle Clothing Company. This is my 72 Chevelle. Had it for 3 years, 400 small block, fuel injected, pro touring build. I'd like to thank me, my sponsors, and crippling debt. The paint is actually a Aston Martin blue or Dodge Viper blue. There's plenty of fleck in it. It's ceramic coated by MQ Detailing out at Schoolhouse Road, New Lanarks. Yeah, so it's LEDs all the way around. Every light, front to back, is LEDs. Chevelle Clothing Company is my clothing company that this is the company car for.
Do you have a group of friends that kind of like ride along with you or support you?
No, I don't know these fucking homos.
They don't support you at all?
No support at all. Not one of them. Yeah, it's my fan club.
There you go.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, so the interior is a full TMI interior with one-piece vinyl headliner, Autometer Muscle Car Series gauges, Alpine Halo 9-inch, and my Frankenstein quick shifter.
Do I hear an accent?
Yeah, you do. Yeah, Australia. Been here 9 years.
Cool, neat. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right, so tell us about the rims and the wheels.
Alrighty, so the wheels are custom-made Forgester, 18 by 9 on the front and 18 on the rear, with 275 35s and 295 35s on the rear.
There you go. In Australia, do they celebrate cars like we do in America?
Yeah, definitely. Not so much the car shows, like sitting around like this, it's more track work.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and 1500 horsepower is pretty standard.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then what about car show awards? Have you won any?
This year's the first year it's been out, and 9 awards so far.
Cool.
And my best one was a Kids' Choice for Project Fire Buddies, which is a fund run by a few firemen to help sick kids with cancer. So,
Neat. Good cause. All right, so now, can you show us the engine?
Yes, yep. So it's a 400 small block, fuel injected by Edelbrock.
Did you get it yourself?
Yeah, with me and my buddy Dave from Reality Motorsport. It's all original metal. There's a touch over 400 hours in the engine bay to smooth out the firewall.
Yeah, right. I mean, talk about clean.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. We tried to make it as wireless as you could possibly make it look.
Right.
So fuel injected, air conditioning. It's got everything it needs.
That is cool. What kind of CFM carburetor?
So being fuel injected, yeah. That's a 1050 CFM throttle body.
That is neat. And the brakes?
So it's a Hydro Boost setup with the bare master cylinder. So best part of that is if you got no vacuum on your engine, it doesn't matter because it runs off your power steering pump.
Can we hear how the car sounds? What kind of exhaust do you have?
It's Magnaflow 22-inch mufflers with 3-inch all the way through. You just always got to wait for the fuel pump to start.
Can you rev it? Great. Got it. That is sweet. That is sweet.
Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars on YouTube, and make sure you follow and subscribe, click the bell, do all the other stuff that you know you need to do for YouTube. Thanks for watching.
think I've been here before. I know
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
that I must